Let me start this video by saying something that might sound uncomfortable. Some of the most talented videographers I know are broke. And at the same time, some people making very good money in videography are not even the best shooters. Now, before you get defensive or start arguing in your head, just stay with me. Because if you're a videographer or a filmmaker and you've ever looked at your work and thought, why am I not where I should be by now? Or, I know I am good, so why am I still struggling? Then this video is for you. I am not here to motivate you. I'm not here to hype you. I am here to explain something a lot of people don't explain early enough in this industry. And once you understand it, it changes how you approach videography as a career. Let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you seen someone online with 50k followers, 100k followers, or someone that just sounds very confident, and immediately you reduce yourself? You start calling them boss, you start feeling like they are automatically better than you, you start questioning your own work. But what you don't realize is that confidence, visibility, and money are not the same thing as skill. This industry does not work the way social media makes it look. The earlier you understand this, the better it will be for your career. Before filmmaking, I was a full-time fashion designer, and let me tell you something I saw very clearly in that industry. The best fashion designers in Nigeria are not the ones making the most money. Some of them are extremely talented, like insane craftsmanship, crazy attention to details, but they are still struggling. Meanwhile, people who are not as skilled are doing well. Some people are doing better. And why? Because business does not only reward talent alone. Business rewards positioning, visibility, structure, communication, and understanding how to sell what you do. The same thing applies to videography. Skill is important, but it is not the full equation. Let me be very clear. Skill is important. You cannot skip skill. You need to know how to shoot. You need to know how to edit. You need to understand lighting, framing, sound, and storytelling. But skill alone will not save you. Because in this industry, it does not automatically pay the best shooter. It pays the people that clients can find and understand, then trust. And this is where a lot of creatives get stuck. A lot of people you see online making money are not necessarily the most talented. What sets them apart is that they understand the business aspect of what they do. They know how to price their work, how to communicate their value, how to talk to their clients, how to position themselves, how to sell their services without sounding desperate. They are visible. People know them. People know what they do. People know what they stand for, and that matters more than you think. Let me say this gently. Maybe the reason you are broke is not because you are not good enough. Maybe it is not because your clients are wicked. Maybe it is not because the industry is saturated. Maybe you are just invisible. Gone are those days where people only rely on word of mouth. Gone are those days where people say things like, do you know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody? You know, all of those stuff. Today, people just go online and look for who they want to work with. If you're not putting yourself out there, if people don't know you exist, if people don't understand what you do, they won't hire you no matter how talented you are. Personal branding has never been more important than it is now. And let me clear this misunderstanding. Personal branding is not just noise. It's not fake. It's not about shouting online. It is simply letting people know who you are, what you do, how you think, and how you solve problems in your industry. If people don't know you, they cannot trust you. If they cannot trust you, they won't pay you, they won't give you their money. And it's as simple as that. So if you're a videographer or a filmmaker, skill is important, but is not the full equation. Work on your craft, but also work on your visibility. Work on how you communicate your value. Work on how people find you, because when people know and understand what you do, they will definitely patronize you. And that is how this industry really works. So if you are seeing me for the first time on your timeline, my name is Samuel Ojo, and I'm the lead production director at Sanfren Ojo Media. I teach beginner filmmakers online. I teach them how to navigate their videography career and also how to take their skill from just being an ordinary videographer to understanding the business aspect of videography. Make sure you like this video, share with other creatives that you think they need to see this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.